How can you use subtraction to solve problems? Think about this question during the lesson. Mike and Linda play a game. How many more points does Linda score than Mike? Find 528 minus 341. Estimate by rounding to the nearest 10. 530 minus 340 equals 190. What information is shown in the bar diagram?
Select each part of the bar diagram to see what it represents. This is the number of points Linda has, 528. This is the number of points Mike has, 341. This is the number you need to find. How many more points Linda has than Mike?
The bar diagram shows the number of points that both Linda and Mike have. How do you know to subtract the number of points? The problem asks how many more points Linda has than Mike. Subtraction helps find the difference, or how many more.
You can use place value to subtract using an algorithm.
Using the standard algorithm, what place value is subtracted first?
Select your answer.
The ones place is subtracted first. Subtract the ones. 8 ones is greater than 1 1. You do not need to regroup. 8 ones minus 1 1 equals 7 ones. Why don't you need to regroup to subtract the ones? You don't need to regroup because 8 is greater than 1. Now subtract the tens. Since 2 tens is less than 4 tens, regroup 100 into 10 tens. Why have both the 5 and the 2 in 528 been crossed out? Both the tens and the hundreds have been regrouped. 12 tens minus 4 tens equals 8 tens. Subtract the hundreds. 4 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equals 100. Linda has 187 more points. How does an estimate help you decide if an answer is reasonable? If an estimate is close to an exact answer, then the answer is reasonable. For this problem, 187 is close to the estimate 190. The answer is reasonable. Now you know how to use subtraction to solve a problem.
So third graders, just remember when you are subtracting to regroup, when she was talking about you must start in the ones place, and remember if the top number is smaller than the bottom number, you need to borrow from the digit to the left of that number. So please take your time and double check your work, and I'm excited to see how you do. Good luck.